Happy kids are not born, they are nurtured. Hello, I am Dr. Tanima Singhal and I am a pregnancy and lactation specialist at Masi Care Clinic with 13 plus years experience, and today I am going to talk about positive parenting. Positive parenting is an effective way of managing a child's emotions and understanding them better. Children are real people with unpredictable behavior, and positive parenting gets to the root cause of a child's challenging behavior. It brings back the beautiful relation of love between parents and a child and celebrates the feeling of parenthood. What positive parenting skills should parents have? With the continuous widening of the generation gap, it is becoming more important for parents to have the skill of positive parenting. Some of the skills they should have are listed below. Patience. Parents should have this skill to deal with some sensitive situations. It not only benefits the child but also keeps their mindset healthy and positive. Parents should adopt the skill of listening more and reacting less. This will help in avoiding unnecessary arguments. Understandability. Parents should understand and try to find the reason behind the unusual behavior of their child. Having good validation and support skills also helps in adopting a positive framework of parenting in life. Benefits of positive parenting. The skill of positive parenting brings fruitful results and brings a child and his parents much more closer by bridging the relationship gap between them. Is positive parenting important? As the generations pass on, the behavior of a child takes a major shift. In primitive times, parents used to keep their children disciplined through fear of punishment. But as time is changing, so is the mindset of our little ones. Kids are now the ruler of their own life. They don't want anyone to influence their life or interfere in their decisions, be it their parents or anyone else. So it's becoming more challenging for parents to keep their children in discipline or teach them about right or wrong. That's why positive parenting is important, as it acts as a savior in these situations and helps parents to maintain good relationships with their children and understand them better. Positive parenting tips for toddlers. The early growing stage of a child is a very sensitive time. That phase acts as an important part of shaping their personality. Any wrong step taken at that moment can affect a child's mindset. So it's the duty of parents to raise them in a positive environment. Toddlers understand the language of love. Use humorous ways to teach them well. Play with them and avoid any display of anger that could trigger them. They understand your expressions well. Try to build your relationship with them in the same manner. Positive parenting techniques. Use a creative approach for teaching your child. Never be too harsh on your child to keep them in control or make them listen to you. Try to make them understand using a fun and playful way that will encourage your child to learn new behavior. Maintain peace at home. A child learns better by observing things, and the first thing he observes is the environment around him. Avoid unnecessary arguments and fights at home and try to not raise your voice out of frustration. Make sure that the only environment that a kid's mind capture is love and discipline. Listen more, react less. Being a parent is not an easy job. Life brings so much change at the same time. But as parents adopt this change, they have to make sure they don't get frustrated or be annoyed at every little thing happening around them. Try to be calm-minded and hear out your child's problems instead of blaming and scolding them for being frustrated and unhappy. Don't be over-possessive with your child. Some parents become obsessed with their children and fail to give them personal space. In the process of being overprotective, they try to control their life and restrict them from doing anything that gives them pleasure. Love your child, but don't forget that more than you, it is child who owns his life. I hope you found this information useful. So if you like this information, like and share this video, comment on this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates. Take care. Happy parenting.